Okay, so you are into your chapter for quadratic equations and hopefully you've tried a few of these numbers. I'm going to show you on page 321, number 11, so that you can see what happens to our equation when there's a negative 4. Okay, when whatever is in front of the x is negative. Okay, so we're going to pick values for x again, minus 3 through to 3. Okay, and we're going to make a table of values, put in our equation here, minus 4x squared, and for each x we're going to now plonk in these values. So the first one I have minus 3, which I put in, so that will become minus 3 squared becomes 9 times 4 is minus 36. Okay, quite a big number. Then we go to this one, I'm putting the 2 in there, so minus 2 squared is 4 times minus 4, and that is going to be, remember this is positive, and then because it's squared, so that gets timed again with a negative, that's why it's negative. So minus 4 times 4 is going to be minus 16. Okay, and here we have just 1, and that's going to be multiplied with a minus 4, that's going to give us minus 4. Okay, and when we go down here, we're going to see that we're going to get exactly the same values because it's a mirror image. So I'm going to get minus 4 here, minus 16. You can work it out for yourselves later on. Minus 16 and then minus 36 is what I'm going to get there. So here I have my two sets of values. Now let's see, when I go and plot it, let's see how it's different from the first example that I showed you. X is going to be minus 3. So here on this table, on this graph, I have minus 4. This is minus 4. I'm going to go down, and let's choose a scale of minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 here, and plus 2, 4, and 6 on that side. Okay, so the first value for x is minus 3, so that's here, and then for y it's 36, so that's going to be way down here. So all the way down there. Okay, now I'm going to go to minus 2 for x and minus 16 for y. So minus 2 for x is here and minus 16 is here. Okay, and then I'm going to minus 1 for x, minus 1 for x is here, and then minus 4 for y, which is here. Okay, and then 0 all around for everybody, x and y, and then I'm going to go to the other side where, once again, now it's 1 for x and minus 4, which is here. And then I have 2 for x and minus 16 again. And 3 for x, which is there, and minus 36, which is right down here. Okay, so draw the graph. Okay, make sure that your lines are nice and smooth, not as ugly as mine is here. Okay, and you can see, important thing to notice is that when there's a minus in front of the x, my graph is going to face down. Okay, my parabola is going to face down. So it faces downwards, and then we're going to call this point here its maximum value. That is the maximum for the parabola. If this was a positive, if I had y is equal to, let's write it here, if I had y is equal to plus 4x squared, it would have looked exactly the same, but it would have been the other way around. So it would have been like that, and it would have faced up, and then we would have called this value here a minimum. So for a parabola that faces up, a positive parabola, where it curves, where it ends, where it turns, one can say, we call it a minimum value. Okay, and if it's a negative parabola like this one that faces down, this is called a maximum. Okay, thank you.